Hello students, this is the fourth class on angle, and in this class we will learn how to draw an angle. How to draw an angle. In the previous class I have told you what is a midpoint. This is a midpoint of a protractor. This is a midpoint of a protractor. In my protractor, this one is the midpoint. Yeah, this one is the zero line, right hand side zero line, and this one is the left hand side zero line or reference line. What is this? Zero line or reference line. Okay, like this is also a zero line, left hand side zero line, this one is right hand side zero line. Okay, in my protractor this one is the right hand side zero line and this one is the left hand side zero line. Okay, now you understood. In the previous class you have understood what is a midpoint, what is a zero line, and how to measure an angle. In this class we will learn how to draw an angle, and we will use these two things: the midpoint, what is the midpoint of the protractor, and what is a zero line and reference line. We are also going to use these two things. If you have not seen the previous video, first of all see the previous video of how to measure an angle, then start with how to draw an angle. Okay, let's take another slide. Okay, this time someone says you draw an angle of 60 degree. You need to draw an angle of 60 degree. What is the first step? First step is to draw an angle. You have to draw one line. You have to draw one line, and it can be as much as you want. It can be any length, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. It is up to your wish. Okay, this is the first step. What is the first step? First step is to draw one line. Then take your protractor. The midpoint of the protractor should be at the one corner of the line. The midpoint of the protractor should come at one corner of the line. The midpoint of the protractor should come at one corner of the line. Okay, now midpoint is at one corner of the line. What is the second step? Second step is the same. The line should be overlapping with one line. The line should be overlapping with one of the zero line of the protractor. The line which you have drawn must be overlapping with one zero line of the protractor. Okay, this is the second step. Which one is the third step? As we are measuring the angle, which was the third step? We need to decide which zero we are going to use. Okay, we are going to use 0 1 or 0 2. So that's very simple. Where is the line? Line is at right hand side, so we are going to use right hand side 0. Okay, how much angle we want to draw? 60 degree. Okay, then mark a point: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Mark a point at 60 degree. Now I have marked the point at 60 degree. What you need to do? Remove your protractor and join the line from this point to this point. Okay, now I am going to join. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, now I have joined the lines. Which one is the last step? The last step, you have to check whether you have drawn the correct angle or not. You have to measure it. And what are the steps to measure? Take your protractor, put the middle point of the protractor on the joining line of the angle. Then one zero line of the protractor should be overlapping with one line of the angle. And which one is the third step? You have to decide which zero you are going to use. Line is at right hand side, so we are going to use right hand side 0. Now see the angle: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Is the line is going 60 degree. So now my angle is a correct angle. Okay, remove this, give it a name. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C. And how much is it? 60 degree. Angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Okay, I think you have understood. Let's take one more example. This time I say you to draw an angle of 30 degree. What is the first step? First step is to draw one line. Okay, one line has been drawn. Second step, take your protractor, put the midpoint of the protractor on one side of the line. Okay, and one side of 10 line should be overlapping with the line. Okay, now 10 line is overlapping with the line. Which one is the third step? You have to decide which 0 you are going to use, whether you are going to use 0 1 or you are going to use 0 2. Which 0 you are going to use. Okay, the line is at this side, so we are going to use this side 0. The line is at right hand side, so we are going to use right hand side 0. Okay, how much angle we want to draw? 30 degree. To mark a point at 30 degree, 0 10 20 30 30 degree. Okay, now I have marked a point on 30 degree. Take out your protractor, join both the lines. Okay, now I am going to join the lines. Okay, let me correct my line. Now it's done. Now at the last step, you have to measure your angle, put the midpoint of the protractor at the joining line of the angle. Then you have to decide which 0 you are going to use. The overlapping line is at right hand side, so we are going to use right hand side 0. Now measure 0 10 20 30. This angle is 30 degree and we want to draw an angle of 30 degree. That means this angle is correct. Now remove your protractor, give it a name, point A, point O, point B. Okay, give me a second. Yeah, point B. So this one is 30 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. Simple. Okay, let's draw one more angle. This time draw a angle of let's suppose 45 degree. Draw an angle of 45 degree. Okay, what is the first step? To draw one line. Okay, one line has been drawn. Second step, take your protractor, put the middle point of the protractor on either side of the line. Okay, this time I am taking this side. Now adjust your protractor so that one line should be overlapping. One line should be overlapping. Okay, now one line is overlapping with the 0 line of the protractor. What is the third step? You have to decide which 0 you are going to use. Okay, now you have to decide whether you are going to use 0 1 or you are going to use 0 2. Okay, the line is at this side, so we are going to use this side 0. The line is at left hand side, so we are going to use left hand side 0. Okay, now which angle we want? 45 degree. Count 0 10 20 30 40 and after that 45. This small line is at 45. You can also count 41 42 43 44 and 45. Now remove your protractor, join both the points. Okay, let me correct my line. Yeah, I think it's correct. No, a little bit. Yeah, now it's correct. Now at the last step, measure your angle. I'm going to measure it. Is it 45? No, a little bit. Okay, wait, give me a moment. Okay, now you can see it is not 45, it is 46. So let me correct my angle. You have to draw and correct, but I can correct like this. Okay, now you can see 0 10 20 30 40 and 45 degree. Now my angle is correct. Now you can write 45 degree. You can also write angle ABC. So angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Very simple. Okay, let's draw one more angle. This time I am going to draw an angle of 120 degree. Okay, no issue. What is the first step? Draw one line. Okay, one line drawn. Take the protractor, put the one point of the put the middle point of the protractor on either side of the line. Okay, now the third step is we need to decide which 0 we are going to use, 0 2 or 0 give me a second, yeah, 0 1. Which 0 we are going to use? 0 2, because line is at this side, so we are going to use this side 0. 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 and 120. Okay, mark a point at 120, remove the protector, join both the lines. Okay, let me correct my line. Yes, now at the last step we need to measure it. Okay, now I'm going to measure. This is exact 120 degree. Okay, so that's correct. Now we need to write 120 degree and the name of the point P Q R. So angle PQR equals to 120 degree. Very simple. Okay, let's take one more example. This time he says draw an angle of 135 degree. Okay, no issue. The steps are same. First we need to draw a line. Okay, one line has been drawn. Put the midpoint of the protractor on either side of the line. Done. One line should be overlapping. Okay, one line is overlapping. Then we need to decide which 0 we are going to use, 0 1 or 0 2. Which 0 we are going to use, 0 1, because line is at this side. Right hand side means right hand side 0. Okay, angle is 135. Count 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 120 130 and 135. This is 135. You can count and check. 131 132 133 134 and 135. Remove your protector, join both the points and your angle will be ready. Okay, let me correct it. Yeah, I think that's correct. Measure my angle. 135. It's correct. You can check it. This is 130. This is 135. Remove the protector. Name the angle. X, Y, Z. Any name you can give. This is 135. Yeah, 135 degree. So angle X, Y, Z equal to 135 degree. Now I think you have understood how to draw an angle. You can draw different angles by yourself and you will be able to draw all the angles perfectly. Thank you everyone. Let's meet in the next class.